Good morning everyone, I am Khushi Gupta and I am here to present my PPT on Boolean postulates. So coming over the introduction of Boolean postulates, what basically we understand from Boolean postulate, it is a set of rules designed with the help of the basic gates, that is and, or and not, and it is used to validate any Boolean expression. It is an alternative to Boolean laws, and we have a list of total 10 Boolean postulates. So here is a list of 10 Boolean postulates. As you can see, the first 4 is derived from AND operation, and the next 4 is derived from OR operation, and the last 2 is derived from NOT operation. According to AND operation, if both the input is high, then we will get the output as high, and if any of the input is low, we will get the output as low. As on the basis of OR operation, if both the input is low, we will get the output as low, and if any of the input is high, we will get the output as high. And coming over NOT operation, if the input is low, we will get the output high, and if the input is high, we will get the output low. So here is an example proving A and operation 0 equals to 0. We need to prove this by means of Boolean postulate. So using Boolean postulate, first we will take the LHS side and we will let A as in the first part we will assume A as 0. Using taking the LHS part, A dot 0 equals to, we will put the value of A equals to 0. By postulate number 1, we get 0 and operation 0 equals to 0. So this is the RHS we got, and again we will do it taking assuming A as 1. When we will put A as 1 and operation 0, by postulate number 3, we will get 1 and operation 0 equals to 0. So this is the RHS. So we have proved that LHS equals to RHS by means of Boolean postulates. So that's it. Thank you.